everybody, Zoe here. Today we're going to be testing out this stick cam setup I made. So this just plops onto my DJI transmitter. No one uses this thing, which is why I had to design this mount. And yeah, we're going to go out to the field, test it out, and see if it works. Whap! Okay, audio was kind of bad for the recording of that. So I kind of figured I'm going to do a after recording thingy. And as I say that, there's still background noise. Anyways, yeah, so we're testing out the stick cam today. It's something I made for the DJI transmitter. Yeah, I'm still using this thing mostly for my flying. I've been using the Jumper T20, but I don't have enough ELRS receivers to swap over yet. So anyways, got the mount going. It seems to be working pretty good. I'm surprised that my first actual design iteration and my first test print turned out to be something I can actually use. So I'm going to put this up on the website, brokenprop.shop, as a free download. So if you want this for DJI transmitter, if you have one, hey, go get it. It's free. It's go print it out. But yeah, I just wanted to get a quick battery in. This is my first battery of the day, so really nothing too super duper special, but you kind of get to see me raw rip it, which is kind of fun. And kind of the point of the stick cam is to give you my inputs directly and kind of connect you to me and the drone, which is pretty cool, I think. So yeah, this is really just a video to kind of test it out and see if it works and try to make content in a different format. If you watched my channel lately, you've probably seen there's been different kind of videos and different formats, from like straight up flight videos to like vloggy edit thingies to, yeah, it's been different. But hopefully you've been enjoying it, and hopefully I'm gonna keep making content. Life has been crazy. If you want to follow along on the crazy adventures, go on to the Discord, Outer Limits. If you want help flying 3D, go check out my Discord. It's in the link in the description. It's pretty cool, and a lot of really cool people. We hang out in there, chill a lot, and fly 3D and enjoy ourselves in the Bermuda Triangle. But yeah, so yeah, go check out my Patreon, go check out my website, brokenprop.shop, and until the next video, hopefully sooner than later, because I do have some things I want to make. Love your faces. Bye! They see me flying, they hating, the cops trying to catch me flying dirty, trying to catch me flying dirty, trying to catch me flying dirty.